This is Lance, inventory software expert since 2006. In this recording, we're going to show you how to create locations in Locate. So we've got home screen up here. We'll go to Setup and Sites. A site in Locate is a building with an address. Sites have addresses. So if we go to Main right here, we'll see that this site, if we click Edit, has an address. And then if we want to create locations for that site, we'll click on Locations. And down here, we'll see we have default locations. So if we want to create more locations in Locate, we create a spreadsheet, and we'll say location and type the location's name, like A1A, A1B, A1C, A1D. So basically, A, B, and C are your pallet levels, like floor, and then the first rack, and then the second rack, and then the top rack. And 1 would be the column in the aisle. So the next column would be A2, A2B, A2C, and A2D. See a typo right here. So you get the idea. Once we finish that column and create columns, then we can create aisles. Now, probably an easier way to do this is to use concatenation. So we put B and 1 and A there, and then use the concatenation formula. Concatenate to bring A1, A together. So then we can say, all right, we've got a ton of B's, and 1, 1, 1, probably, yeah, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, and then A, B, C, like that. Put that all together in the concatenation formula. Bring it together, concatenate like that. Then that gives you an idea of what to do. So I'll just copy that and paste values only over here. Then delete that. So that's how we would sort of create locations in Locate. And then under Setup, Imports, we'd select the import type, location, right here. And then I need to choose the file that we're importing. It'll probably want the site on here so it knows what site it's going to. Actually, I'm almost certain that it will. And then save that to the desktop. Location in CSV format. So choose File, Desktop. Wrong desktop. There we go. There's location. And let's do create only and save. So it's going to look for the name is the location and the site, and then I forgot the location type. The location type is going to be just stock. So we'll add that. Stock. Actually, we'll say location type and then stock. So there's different location types: receiving and put away and shipping and picking. We'll see over here, and they each have different forms of features. Will call is another one, finished goods. And if we hover over this, you'll see it says will call is pickable or is not pickable, but is a put away location, and it's not receivable, and it's not counted as available. So there's some locations you can put your parts in and say whether it's available or not. And if we create a new... Go ahead.
Are those customizable?
Yeah. Yeah, so if we create a new custom location, we can choose what type it is, and we can create a custom type location here and say whether it's available for moving or not, moving in or moving out, whether or not it shows up as an available type location. Yeah, we've got returns and RMA location, which is a restricted type of location that says you can move in, but you can't move out. It's counted as not available. It's receivable. Yes, you can receive into it, but it's not a put away location or a pickable location. So it has different attributes, different rules involved in the location. So yeah, so if we're creating locations here, you'll see the main thing I just want to focus on in this example is the required fields. Location type, if it has an asterisk, it's required. And then the site is required. So we'll save that and create a new import now that this is ready. And this is how we would help you set up the file. You would prepare the data in the spreadsheet, get your locations ready, and then we would QC it, or if you're comfortable or confident in importing it, you can import it yourself, or we can help you prepare it and import it. So then run the import. So customers and vendors and parts groups are set up in Locate in this way. And there we go. It says it's complete. So now if we go back to sites and refresh this, it will show the sites. Let's try this refresh right here. It should show those new locations. There we go. Cool, huh?